Get set. And they're off, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, almost lost it. All these people want to get up on their knees or set up on cushions, and all it does is put the center of gravity higher, which means it wants to go over faster, quicker. All right, here we are, the Battle of the Buoy, the Liquor Palace, and Orange Cross at the buoy together. And it is Liquor Palace coming around. Somewhat. Now we don't know where he's going. Oh, Orange Cross is going to take him on the inside. Here they go. Look, there's 4 boats on this whole river, and 2 of them run into each other.
Hey, skipper, I'm on board. I love that.
All right, it's Randy out there at Liquor Palace. Yes, we've still got all 4 of them upright. All right, here comes Orange Crush. That boat is almost too small to get the paddle to the other side of the boat. Okay, here comes Orange Crush. You haven't won yet, Orange Crush. I wouldn't be cheering yet. All right, it's Orange Crush. Meanwhile, back at the buoy, it's Liquor Palace. And Belt shall not sink. All right, there it is, the winner of the first heat, Orange Crush. With David and Tina on board from Marysville. On your marks, get set, and they're off, ladies and gentlemen. Look out, Matt and John. Still rocking and rolling back here. Keep an eye on them. That's definitely a rock and roll boat. First it rocks, then it rolls. And there they go, across everybody. Smash. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Keep an eye on Matt and John out there in number 15. That's Emmanuel Lutheran. The Devastator is the name of that one. They're going to be devastated, all right. Oh, this is cool. Now they're running against traffic. All right, out in front. It is boat number 7, Star Oil Company Incorporated. These guys are just an accident waiting to happen. All right, we've got everybody bumbled up at the buoy now. Devastator's going to go back around and do it again. They save it one more time. You have no idea how sore their sides are going to be tomorrow. They're trying to keep that boat upright. All right, here we go. It's John and Matt out there trying to stay afloat. And right behind them is Star Oil Company Incorporated. And Thou Shalt Not Sink seems to be having a little bit of a problem. All right, here we go. We have got out in front is John and Matt. Now they're going to try paddling this boat backwards. I do not understand that. Oh, now they're going to go forward again. Okay. No singing about it. I think the crew's getting tired. And Thou Shalt Not Sink. Still coming along. The horse is, well, Zero Freeboard. John and Matt still trying to do something here. Mainly keep that thing upright for the last 10 feet.
Sideways.
the shore, too, at this rate. Okay, boom. Hey, there goes a bunch of birds. They scared the birds out. All right, it's the SS Hendricks. Hendrickson. With Jason and David and Dan on board. Oh, they're all going to be in a big mess. I can see it coming. The SS Hendrickson. Makes it around the buoy. Now let's see who else can make it around the buoy. Yeah, the USS Hendrickson just cruising along. Looks like they're just having a ball out there. Meanwhile, they're headed for the buoy. And coming down the home stretch. Meanwhile, the SS Stingray. SS Hendrickson looks like he's going to win this one.
Turn the camera.
The nose is definitely underwater now. Look out! She's about to snap roll on him. These crew members keep disappearing. Okay, on your marks. Get set. And they're off, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we got lots of stuff going on here. All right, we've got all three boats running hot here. Nobody's slacking off this time. All right, here we go. Gets the dock, coming on strong. Grounding over Norwood Manor there. All right, here we go. They've got to get away from each other. All right, here we go. I think we finally got them apart.
I think they got a motor.
Here we go. It's the dock headed into the first buoy. It's the dock. Just for the dock of it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the dock is alive and well. Norwood Manor running pretty good. The dock seems to be overpowering them. Get set, and they're off, ladies and gentlemen. We should tell you about the Lucky Duck there. The Lucky Duck is from Mobile, Alabama. They almost just went south. Ladies and gentlemen, the border connection. Meanwhile, Lucky Duck is getting straightened around down there. Heat number 6. Heat number 6. I need boats number 14, 32, and 41 in the chute. I need boats number 14, 32, 41 in the chute. They just turned the track in 1:35.66, fastest time of the day. On your marks, get set. All right, they're off, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, look out. Not a good sign. Half the crew is already in the water. The race just getting started.
Hey, you got the right idea. Save yourself. Yeah. Just pull it. No problem. Cruise right on
Alright, here comes the remains of Emmanuel Lutheran Church's boat up out of the water. This is pure the hair of the tortoise, right? Slow and sure, but still making it. Alright, there it is. Team Outlaw, Garden City.
Watching the store.
He's waiting for a trophy, I think.
Look at this, Norman.
On your mark. Get set. And they're off, ladies and gentlemen. And that big cruiser from Port Huron. It's the Port Huron Power Squadron. We're going to have to get away from each other here. We got them straightened down. Now they're going to run. All right, here they come, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Power Squadron still out in front. Kayak having a little bit of stability problems out there. And Sundowner running third in that little old dory. The Port Huron Power Squadron with next Rudy and Paul on board. Alright, there it is. Headed in for the finish. It is Rudy and Paul from the Port Huron Power Squadron. Running high. Okay, look out. Sundowner's got the... Alright, on your marks. Get set. Keep out. These are big boats, folks. Alright, stay away from each other. Whoa! Watch the boat heart attack running hot out there, man. Look at the wake they're leaving. 29 and 34. You're supposed to be up here for the next heat. Alright, Watson brothers on the inside, beginning their turn. Boy, that's a long sweeping turn for a buoy. Neck and neck all the way. Alright. Look out, you saw the heart attack boat coming in on the inside. Far be it, folks. Here in front of us. They are running neck and neck. Two deck canoes. Alright, running neck and neck against Watson brothers. Pulling it out. Alright.
That way they're
On
dressed
your
like
marks.
that.
Get set. And they're off, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, here we go. Wow, no real clear pullaway here. You out to sea and first call, last call now. Neck and neck. Whoa. First call, last call. Almost went over. All right, they're hung up on each other. We got to keep them separated. There they go. Alright, here they come. First call, last call. Allstate and Junction Buoy. Oh!
Hey, girls.
Alright. On your marks. Get set. And they're off, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, here we go. Simon says go. It's moving hard and fast. And so is Fast Eddie. Everybody's making a run for that buoy. There's going to be a good one. Hang on. It's the big boys playing today. Alright, it's Fast Eddie on the inside. Coming down the back stretch. They're running neck and neck. If Simon says go, it's got the inside for the buoy. So keep an eye on them, folks. Let's see what happens. Fast Eddie swinging it much faster, much wider. buoy now. I think they're just trying to get it back in.
Doesn't look good. Not pretty.
Look out! There she goes! On your marks! Get set! And they're off, ladies.
All right, folks, we gotta go raise the bridge. We got an opening. Please clear the bridge.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. It's Watson Brothers out in front. Watson Brothers. The name of that boat is Bluey.
Going up.
Godzilla. Watson Brothers got him out in front. But look out. Godzilla seems to take the turn a little bit better. All right, here we go.
Go, State!
It's going to be a good one at the Bluey. Doing more than the boat to hold them up.
They are in front. You see the deputies coming in, you know you're... Saves the meeting.
Alright. We'll see if we can get them out of the water.
Yeah, saves the meeting.
On your marks. Get set. And they're off, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, one boat runs into another right off the bat.
Clear the bridge, please. Back. The bridge is going up. Clear the bridge.
Alright, here we go. One bad banana. Nobody got a clear lead here yet. Everybody just sort of bumping around into each other. Now the blue boat there. The flat bottom canoe. Alright, here we go. It is the flat bottom canoe, the row gang. It's the row gang.
Come on,
Big line
banana.
out in front. Bad banana coming on strong behind them. Meanwhile, Innovative Housing is trying to make it to the first buoy.
Bridge going up in the blue shirt. Stay right there. Bridge. Back it up. Bridge going up.
They're down, the green boat's going down, but here comes the row gang. The row gang through first, from right here in Richard Glen, from right here in Port Huron, Michigan. And it's the bad banana across the line. Broken paddle and all. On your marks. Get set. And they're off, ladies and gentlemen. Association running hot. Right. Smash, boom, bang. It's all over the place. Alright. It's the Cardiology Association out in front. Watson on in second. And the duck trying to make it around the buoy. It looks like it. It looks like the Watson can't bring the boat around.
Come on, Ducky!
I love it. This guy's screaming, stroke, stroke, stroke. Nobody's on stroke except him. Alright, there it is. A heart attack, boys. On your marks. Get set. Alright, here we go. Pulling out hot. It's Bluey. Watson's Brothers Bluey. Pulling out. But over here on the outside, it's Border Connection running hot. Let's see what happens at the buoy. And we got Godzilla running right in there. We got 3 hot boats all in the buoy about the same time. Buoy turns real hard. Here comes border connection. Running hot. Godzilla right behind him. Godzilla fell for it. What a nice move. Border connection, number 96. Godzilla trying to come around to save her now. On your marks. Get set. And they're off, ladies and gentlemen. Here they go. Here we go. It's Simon Says, running hot, down the backstretch, fast Eddie trying to catch him. The big buoy. The big stories at the buoy, so keep an eye on and see how well Simon Says whips it around. We've been washed is running third.
Let's go!
Okay, here. Keep inside the buoys, guys. All right, Simon Says go. There it is. Big part of that story was the turn. On your marks. Get set. And they're off, ladies and gentlemen.
Come on, power squad.
What's going to go down at that buoy? Because these are all evenly matched boats. Come on, Power Squadron, back off. Go! Look at that boat go. That's Bluey from Watson's Brothers. And running second is Godzilla. Real close run for third between the Power Squadron and the Campbell White. And here comes all Bluey. On your marks! Get set! And they're off, ladies and gentlemen. This is the big boys. Keep your eye on that buoy. These are experienced crews now. They've run these boats for a while. They know what they'll do. Simon Says go is on the inside. We got